World War I, the Great War, detailed overview. World War I, also known as the Great War, began on 28 July 1914 and ended on 11 November 1918. It lasted for 4 years, 3 months, and 2 weeks, resulting in over 40 million casualties, dead and wounded. Causes of the war. The immediate trigger was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, but deeper causes included: 1. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, 28 June 1914. The heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne was killed in Sarajevo, Bosnia, by Gavrilo Princip, a Serbian nationalist. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia and declared war on 28 July 1914, starting the conflict. Though alliance system. Europe was divided into 2 major alliances. Allied powers, Entente France, Russia, Britain, later joined by Italy, USA. Central powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. Teen imperialism, colonial rivalries. European powers competed for colonies, increasing tensions. 4. Militarism, arms race. Germany and Britain engaged in a naval arms race, while France and Germany expanded their armies. 5. Nationalism. Ethnic tensions in the Balkans, Slavs versus Austrians, and rising patriotism fueled conflicts. Major fronts of the war. 1. Western Front, France-Belgium, trench warfare, e.g. Battle of the Somme, Verdun. 2. Eastern Front, Russia versus Germany, Austria-Hungary, massive battles, Russian Revolution, 1917. 3. Balkan Front, Austria versus Serbia, Russia, sparked the war. 4. Middle Eastern Front, Ottoman Empire versus Britain, Gallipoli, Arab Revolt, Lawrence of Arabia. Key countries involved. Allied powers, Central powers. Britain 1914, Germany. France, Austria-Hungary. Russia, left in 1917, Ottoman Empire, Turkey. Italy joined 1915, Bulgaria. USA joined 1917. How did the war end? 11 November 1918. 1917 Russia withdrew after the Bolshevik Revolution. 1918 Germany weakened, Allies pushed back. 11th November 1918 Germany signed the Armistice of Compiègne, ending the war. Consequences of WWI. 4 empires collapsed. German Empire, Austro-Hungarian Empire, Ottoman Empire, Russian Empire, Tsar overthrown. Treaty of Versailles, 1919. Harsh penalties on Germany led to WWII. Redrew borders in Europe, Middle East. League of Nations' first attempt at global peacekeeping failed, later replaced by the UN. India's role. 1.3 million Indian soldiers fought for Britain. 62,000 died, increasing Indian demands for independence. Subscribe my channel for more video.